Hello everyone. Good morning. Waiting for 9:30 a.m. open. Today two news driver. That's the 10 a.m. is ISM service PMI and second 1 o'clock is President Trump speak. 10 o'clock PMI and 1 o'clock is President Trump speak. So be careful. I am also waiting today. If I got A plus setup, then I will enter in trade. One minute left. Market open. This is pre-market low. This is pre-market high. 20-second left. 10 a.m. have news. Market is open. Still waiting for the entry. I am going to be a short. Stop loss is here. Target is midnight open. Still I am seeing here reaction. There is a 1 minute inversion purely gap. If price is moving from here to buy side, because this is the initially sell side liquidity it's taken, I am moving my stop loss to the break even because I don't want to, the loss my money. Price struggling here. Yes, it's break even. No profit, no loss. Still it's sell side. Wait for the entry. I want to see first this week down below in full body. Still I am going to be a short. Still target is just a second. First my target is midnight open, so partially booked there. Here a 5 minute fuel gap. There is a charming fuel gap. If charming fuel gap going to be an inversion fuel gap, then we got loss. This 5 minute Pivali gap we want to see like inversion Pivali gap. Now I am moving my stop loss to inversion Pivali gap, means Charmin Pivali gap. Still price reaction is I am watching. See how price reaction. There's the 1 minute charming Pivali gap is the inversion Pivali gap. Now going price going to be a pre-market open, pre-market high. Means buy side liquidity like this. There is a 57 points. There is a pre-market high. Is the target. Now you move your stop loss to here. I don't want to take entry until 10 news driver. Still price going to be a pre-market high. Today I took two trade. Also like this you can also you if you don't enter last trade then you can enter from here because this is the Pivali gap, sorry, breakaway gap. This is the Pivali gap entry. This is the Pivali gap. This is the breakaway gap. It's like hell today. Today I took two trade. Both are break even. Steel price moving sell side. Yes, 50-minute have here inversion fee wali gap. That's a price touch here and going to be a sell side. But still waiting for the entry. You can enter from here also. This Fibonacci gap is making inversion Fibonacci gap. This is the 15-minute inversion Fibonacci gap. If price give me the Nasdaq give me the entry, then I will enter in that trade. Now I am entering. Wait for the confirmation. Yes, I am going to be buy from here. My stop loss is here. But I think I take early entry. Still I want to see buy side liquidity is here. Remarket high. Partially book here. This buy side liquidity. After market open, this is the initially buy side liquidity. My target is pre-market high. First two entry, I'm break even. This entry I took it early because I want to take from here. Still I'm watching. If Nasdaq in consolation, I want to see speed above this high and close the full candle. pre-market high like this. There's around 60 points. I'm moving my stop loss to the break even. Nasdaq give me 60 points. Yes, now got it. First two I lost, sorry, I break even because when I want to go to sell, then first here 5 minute Fibonacci gap. I want to see that Fibonacci gap cross and it's been a inversion Fibonacci gap, but not possible. And price is moving from there to buy side. There is a charming Fibonacci gap. I want to take entry from here, but I can't. So I waiting for the entry. Second entry I took from here, and there is a buy side liquidity pre-market high. That is my target. This this Fibonacci gap is making an inversion Fibonacci gap. This is the breakaway gap, small breakaway gap. This is the Fibonacci gap, and this is the 15-minute inversion Fibonacci gap. I am trading for Nasdaq for Discord members only. So if you want to join me, then right now 25% sale running. There is a 25% sale. Gold right now. I want to see first. Discount code is description. Still price moving to high. My second target Nasdaq in is here. If they give me, there is a 0.25 and there is a point 0.5. This is my target. There is my first target. There is my second target. Discord sell right now going on. Here have 50-minute inversion P gap. If price is moving back from P gap, but my target still is 0.25 and 0.50. First target, there is my second target. There is the first target is done, almost there. I am trading live for Discord members only, 2 days a week, only for public. First two trade, I took it from here to sell side, but this 5-minute fuel gap, I want to see if this break and close the candle down in full body. That's why I moved to my stop loss to the break even. First two trade, I take it, no loss. Then after I take it, I want to see this charming fuel gap as inversion fuel gap. Just take it, then I want to take the trade, but I don't enter. Second, I want to see is confirmation again. Then after I take it the entry from here, there is the pre-market high is my first target. There is my second target. I book my profit here around 60 points. Second, you want to book your target is 108 points. After pre-market high, this is my first target. My second target is here around 155 points. Still my second target is here. You can consider like this also. This is initially buy side liquidity. Yes, initially buy side liquidity over there. Second target also almost done. There is a 155 points. First target is pre-market, second target is here. After pre-market, there is a first target, second target is here. Today Nasdaq gave me 60 points. That also done almost. There is a 157 points is here. You can book your profit is here. There's a 10 o'clock is news driver. PMI. See target is done. Before 10 o'clock news, target is achieved. There is the first target, second target is here. I book my profit 60 points. That's done already. I enter from here. This Fivali gap, inversion Fivali gap. This is the breakaway gap, inversion Fivali gap. Sorry, Fivali gap. There's the key level Fivali gap. Then price is moving. There is a once pre-market target is done. The second entry is first target is here, 100 points. Then after another target is here. There is the second target. Now we will see gold. If gold give us an entry, Still waiting for the entry in gold. Yes, going to be a sell, but in gold, but still I'm waiting for the confirmation. Actually, I'm waiting for the confirmation is buy side or sell side. I will tell you. Nasdaq is still going up. Next target is around but still waiting for the confirmation. My target is here, around here, this buy side liquidity. But still waiting for the entry on Nasdaq and gold. Gold, I want to see this yearly cap break. Yes, now is break. So I'm taking entry for this confirmation. Once it's done, still waiting for the entry in gold. Nasdaq, my target is here. This buy side liquidity and this is the second entry. If you want to take the enter in the like this, there's almost 79 points like this. Second target is done. Today I took 3 trades. 2 trade is break even. Third trade is 60 points profit. Then after first target is here. I book profit is pre-market high. Then after first target is here. and second one is here. That's both are achieved around 155 points, but move your stop loss is here. You want to put your stop loss is here. This is the Diwali gap. That's almost 155 points. Yes, gold is going to be a buy, but still waiting. Price reaction. Still, I not got any confirmation in gold. In Nasdaq, this is the second target I want to see. Now you take your step stop loss under this candle low, like here. If price is moving and coming back to here, then also you are not going to be a loss. You're gonna be a break even. First two trade I took, both are break even. Third I took buy side. There is the first from here. This is my first target is 60 points. First I take it here, almost 60 points. Like this. Then after my first target is here, once it's reached, then after my first target is here, 0.25 CE, and there is my second target is done. Now yes, it's break even. 1 o'clock have Trump speech, so be careful. In gold, I am still waiting for the entry. $9.50 to 10.10 marker is finished. For gold, I am going to be a buy from here. My stop loss is here. My target is London high. Sorry, market high. But I want to see the candle is closing below of this Vivaldi gap, and I want to see this high speed above this high. Then after, I am sure to be price is coming here and London high. Gold is in consolation right now. In Nasdaq, I earned 60 points. I'm watching gold. Parsley, you book here. There is the this initially buy side liquidity. Still, I want to see this candle close here. Still in gold, price is consolation. I think I am going to be a loss here. I am still seeing, yes, I am going to be a loss here. There's almost 6 points in gold. Gold is very slow. One o'clock, President Trump speak. Yes, my stop loss is hit. I put my stop loss is very tight here. Still I want to see price reaction. Still is the buy side like this. First entry I took it. Still I want to see like this. But still waiting for the confirmation if this purely gap is making an inversion purely gap. That's I want to see first. Then after I took the entry. Yes, it tells sell side liquidity. Today gold 9:30 a.m. going to be a sell side. Then in consolation after 10 to 10:30 still waiting for the entry. I want to see first this confirmation, this purely gap making it into a inversion purely gap. Then after I am taking the entry to buy side like this. Still I am waiting for the confirmation if this purely gap is making an inversion purely gap. If not, then I am not take any entry. In Nasdaq, I got 60 points in profit. First, I took this trade here. 60 points are booked here. There's a pre-market high. Then after my first target is here. There's a 0.25 CE and there is my second target. I give this signal in live. Like this. There is almost 150 points. This is the 100 points. Is here. There is the second target. After pre-market done, then after there is the my targets. I am trading live for my Discord members only. So join now. There is the Discord 25% sale going on. There is the code is STRADE. Still it's gonna be not give me any confirmation. Still waiting for confirmation in gold. Nasdaq is going high. There is the target is buy side liquidity is here. Nasdaq still going on this buy side liquidity. There is my target. Gold is still struggling. No entry in gold. Still I'm waiting for the buy side. But I want to see this P-valley gap into inversion P-valley gap. Then after my first target is here. Second target is here. There's London high. See the reaction of the gold. Now it's gonna be buy side. Like this. That is my first target is here. 8 points. Second target is 12 point. And third target is 14 points. There is a 5-minute P-valley gap is here. This is your first target. It's done. Five points. Second target is 12 points. But partially book here. Still my target is London high. Nasdaq still going on this buy side liquidity. Like this. Like this. But here, take it some parsley. Parsley profit book here. You move your stop loss to the break even like this here. Gold still going to be a buy side, but once this Fioli gap making into inversion Fioli gap, that 5-minute Fioli gap is here. Once this candle close above this 5-minute Fioli gap, then gold still going to be London high. I took gold entry, but I took my stop loss to be a critical condition. I took first entry from here, and I took my stop loss is here. Still my target is buy side liquidity. Now you move your stop loss to here. This Fioli gap. Target is London high. You book some parsley profit is here also. The target is London high. Still waiting for London high. Now you move your stop loss to here. This candle low. If price is moving to the backside, then also you got little bit profit here. But still my target is buy side liquidity. This is my target. First target is achieved. Second target also done. Now we still I want to see buy side liquidities here. Gold going to be a London high, but partially profit you book here. Still target is London high, but book partially profit here. In Nasdaq buy side liquidity. But I want to see this inversion Fibonacci gap. This is the breakaway gap. Still my target is buy side liquidity. Put your stop loss is here. This is the breakaway gap. This is the Fibonacci gap. See price touch into the half of Fibonacci gap and going to be a buy side. 50% is still open. This is the breakaway gap. Still my target is buy side liquidity. I took my trade live. First I took entry from here. My target is pre-market high. There's the 60 points. That's already done. Then my after pre-market high, my first target is 0.25 CE. Then after second target is 0.5. Now my target is buy side liquidities here. There is almost 58 points. First trade there's a 60 points. Second target 110. Third target 150. Fourth target is 192. In gold, still my target is this London high. Still my target is London high. Now you make your stop loss to the break even. No need to be a greedy. You want to partially book here, here. Here is the 5-minute Fibonacci gap also. Now you move your stop loss to here This fuel gap 75. Just a second. Like here 70.5. You move your stop loss here. Once this candle going to be high, you want to move your stop loss to the point 0.5, half of the fuel gap, because still 5-minute fuel gap is open. You put your stop loss is here. If price coming back to be there, then also you book partially here. But still my target is London high. Still Nasdaq, I want to see speed high above this high and candle close here in full body. I want to see speed above this high. I am trading for Discord members only. This is the last public stream for the week. Tomorrow I trade for Discord members only. Right now Discord sell is 25%. Link is below. And this is the discount code as trade. Yes, price is done. There's a 5807. There's the 58 points. It's done already. All target is done on Nasdaq. In gold, still price struggling. Nasdaq, all target is done. In gold, you put your stop loss to this fuel gap wick. 0.5 also you can. But my suggestion, you put your stop loss is here. If price come back, then also you got profit. In Nasdaq, my target is buy side liquidity here also. If price go there, then still I want to see full speed above this high and candle close, full candle close here. My all target is done today on Nasdaq. Gold is moving to be a high. My target is London high. Almost 14 points. Still my target is London high. In gold, I took my stop loss is very tight. I took entry from here. Here I took my entry from here, and I put my stop loss is here. That is the first signal I give. I take live entry here, but hit my stop loss and price go up 10 20 to 20 40 micro. The price is moving buy side, and there is my target is London high. Still my target is London high. There is a 5-minute Fibali gap. There is a 5-minute inversion Fibali gap. Still my target is London high. Once it's done, then I am going to be off the stream. 1 o'clock, Trump speech, still waiting for the London high, price is struggling, put your stop loss is here, this candle, why you want to move your stop loss? Because if you want to make a profitable trader, then you want to move your stop loss. Don't be greedy. If you moving your stop loss, then you learn to risk management. That's why I told you the stop loss you move this candle below, like here. If price going back, then also no problem for that. Gold still struggling here. Gold, I am still waiting for the London high. There is the 1050, 10, 11, 10 macro. Gold still in struggling mode. Consolidation. Yes, it's break even. So I'm going to be off the stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Join me on Discord. I trade every day for Discord members only. There is right now Discord sales is going on 25%. There is S trade is a discount code. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today. Tomorrow I trade for Discord members only. Have a nice day. Thank you so much, everyone.